We are at the booth of Seasonic, and we're going to do a short video about what's in the booth.
Okay. Let's start from here. This is new. This is the Focus SFX-650. It's an SFX-L form factor PSU, 80 plus gold certified, 120mm fan, fully modular, 10 years warranty. This is the PSU.
I think 10 years
small.
warranty is the standard warranty that Seasonic gives.
Actually, it's 12 for the prime units and 10 for the rest. This is a new model. We don't know exactly when it will be released, but we will find out.
Definitely.
Okay. Let's move. Those are two affordable Seasonic PSUs.
Fantas.
This is already the market. Prime Gold, 1300. This I think is the strongest prime unit available. Yeah. The prime. There's a prime platinum also with 1300 watts capacity. And the new snow silent units from 550 to 750. Again, the same SFX-L unit we've seen. And a gold that Seasonic and yesterday.
So that's pretty much about it from Seasonic. Bye bye.